Refractory clay refers to refractory greater than 1580, can be used as refractory clay, and bauxite used as refractory material. About the daily maintenance of the equipment to do a ball press in every day after the completion of use will be the roller on the remaining materials clean, so as to avoid some corrosive material damage to the roller of the ball press as a wearing part, to be punctual to check whether the roller is worn and whether the roller is aligned. If the roller is found to be worn or uneven, it should be replaced and repaired in time. 3. Be punctual to check the lubricating oil of each transmission device of the ball press. If the lubricating oil is not found, it should be made up in time. If too much dust is found, it should be sorted out in time. 4. Check the line of the ball press to ensure production.